Hey, morning. It is now after 6 Jamaica time. I've been up since after 4 this morning. Don't worry, this is a pro. This is just to kind of give your eyes the direction of where to look, I guess. I don't know. Or make you feel that I have an important mic because this is an important message I want to deliver. Who knows? But, I woke up after 4 this morning and I. No, I think I woke up after 3:40, and then I went to go and pee, and then all of a sudden I was hit with the inspiration to create a brand new isekai web comic thingy. Um, you know, usual stuff for me. I'll just get inspiration to do random stuff at any point in time. But this didn't go the way it usually goes because for some reason everything decided to stop working at one time. Or at least the two most important parts or elements to this, I just decided that they would not cooperate the way I need them to. What happened was, right? I was there using. I was there, right? So I had this idea, the next guy I wanted to create about YouTubers, a YouTube-based isekai around the video editing process. So popular Jamaican YouTuber, because I do a lot of Jamaican-based stories. Let's say it's PewDiePie inspired, but it's still a Jamaican YouTuber. The top YouTuber dies in 2020, and he dies. There's huge uproar. People are crying. Beloved YouTuber, right? He dies, and then finds himself in a new video editing software as like a general overseer for people who want to become or who are aspiring to be YouTubers. Simple enough concept, right? So he's basically acting as a guide and kind of using his knowledge of how to get to a certain point, trying to help them as newbies, right? It should have been simple enough to, narrow down and get sorted out. It took me 2 hours just to try to get everything sorted out. I used, alright, so usually when I do a story, I usually put it on Wattpad. Wattpad decided that it wasn't going to work with me. But even before that, Chatgpt, I had put the initial prompt into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT was just blinking. And then when I don't know, maybe it was the recording software, because I was trying to record myself while doing the thing, but it just wasn't working. I don't know. And then I just stopped it, and then it kind of started, but it was still kind of slow. And then when I kind of fleshed out chapter 1, I said, okay, that's good enough. And when I did some revisions and edited it a bit, I decided that okay, time to put it on Wattpad. And guess what? I did. I entered everything, put in the first chapter, put in the title, put in the tags and everything. But when it came time to hit publish, it wouldn't publish. Then I tried again 3 more times, still wouldn't publish. Then I said, okay, maybe it needs to be updated. Sure enough, it did need to be updated. And then I tried again, and guess what? It still didn't go through. So, yeah. I don't know where I'm gonna be hosting the story. Maybe I'll put it on Koji. I don't know. So I have a isekai story. It's called. I don't. I'm so tired. I don't remember the name of the story right now. Rise of something. I don't know. Anyway, you'll see the name when I'm done editing, I guess. So yeah, read it if you're into isekai type stuff, and if maybe you're an aspiring YouTuber who wants to be, who want to see some like good tips, because I'm pretty much trying to make it show some, some good tips. So it's basically like I call it kind of like a tutorial mode for a lot of the stuff that YouTubers go through, like the copyright system and YouTubers like stealing content and all of that. I wanna kind of add those elements in. Maybe not fully, because it still is a fledgling story. So maybe I put in a little hints and stuff there and here, and we'll see how it goes. But if you're interested in that, just wait for an update. I guess if I do actually get to upload it somewhere. I guess the first. I guess we'll see how it goes. That's it. That's it.